I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both phone and Thar. First, check that your Thar's head unit supports Android Auto. Many Thar trims use wired only. Plug a good USB-C cable into the car's USB port and your phone. Poor cables cause failure. On your phone, enable Android Auto in settings and accept required permissions. Once done, unlock the phone and leave the screen active briefly while the car recognizes it, so the initial handshake can complete without timeouts. Next, you authorize and finish the connection. When the Thar asks, tap Accept on phone prompts for permissions like contacts, messages, and location. These let Android Auto operate. Then on the Thar display, pick Android Auto as the source. Sometimes you must choose an app layout or allow screen mirroring. Make sure the car audio input is set to USB or Android Auto, and raise the phone's media volume to a mid-level so navigation and voice prompts are audible. Once paired, test voice and maps briefly. Finally, optimize performance and know one key troubleshooting step. Keep your phone OS, Android Auto app, and Thar head unit firmware updated to avoid compatibility problems. If the connection drops or screen stays blank, try a different high-quality cable and restart both the phone and the car's head unit. That simple reset resolves most problems. Make sure battery saver or custom launchers aren't blocking permissions. If things still fail, repair the devices from scratch and test again. This full reset usually clears persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.